Back again, everybody, with another banger. We are on Lake Latoka. Not even a breeze, not a ripple on the lake. Calm morning. We got here about like 6:30. It was pitch black, so it's getting dark, man. It's getting dark. End of the season's here. The push is coming. The push is coming. So we're just here. This is we've done a lot of work here. We built the deck here and done this, done that. Probably spent 3 weeks here. We did concrete here. So at the end of the year too, we're gonna do all this soffit and fascia, and basically just a little bit of trim here and there. So today we're gonna be doing a door, roll-up door. Did these pavers too, and this deck. Today we're gonna be doing a roll-up door right here, and then this part is gonna be like a storage area, and then we'll block this off, block that off. You'll have a gutter system dripping down, so there should never be water in here. And the gutter system is from Menards. It's like you attach it to the bottom of your deck so that your deck doesn't get water in it, I guess. Yeah. This was one of our biggest projects. This probably is actually our biggest project, even bigger than our addition. Did all this concrete too, and I don't know why, but the cedar tone made the concrete turn the color of the concrete. This was colored concrete to begin with. Honeycomb it was called.
No, it's maroon comb.
Huh?
No, it's maroon comb. Sorry.
Look at these outside corners. They're 3 4x4s. This thing is very strong. Very tedious with all this railing, spacing them out. Yeah. Oh, some ducks just landed right there in the lake. We always get ducks, otters here.
Look at the glass.
Yeah, we're doing all the soffit and fascia throughout the whole house. First story, second story.
We're trying to talk them into a little breakfast bar right out front here. Little breakfast bar right out front there. That'd be so nice looking out to the lake here.
You don't have a hat, they put it on your head.
Alright. Strapping it up. We also did, Nick forgot to mention, let me get it squared up here. We also did all those windows 30 feet in the air. Nice almond tint to them. That's what the homeowner wanted. It looks good though with their new painted. Nick's cousin, I think, painted this whole thing, gave it a whole new life. I mean, this thing was shot. It was shot. Very cool modern colors they're going with. The cedar tone is matching everything so brilliantly. We're gonna wrap all that in a nice terra tone, kind of like the windows, lower half of windows. This door, terra tone. We don't do grass work, we leave it for the homeowners. He has done a great job. We do not vacuum at Seagulls Floor Cover, and we do not do grass at Prime Builders.
I think I told you the story. He said, you can all have a bunch of these tools, like, just use them all, because then you can see what you actually like. I know you might get mad, but just let it happen.
Yeah.
So they have 2 3/4 and half 3 1/4.
Nice.
So I got a whole box of 2 3/4.
Perfect.
And I got 10 of the 3 1/4 just in case.
Okay.
I'm assuming this is long enough.
Yeah.
I would guess.
Mm-hmm.
Or not.
Right.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
What about Jesus in the church?
Yes. Exactly. I get it. I get what you're saying, but I mean, it's better than them talking about.
He kept saying, I don't give a rip. The pastor, I don't give a rip. Just say it, man. If you're going to go that far, just say, I don't give a shit. You know, you're gonna go that far in the church? Just say I don't give a rip.
Yeah, like God knows what you're saying right now.
What? It's the same thing.
Yeah, God knows what you're saying right now.
Yes.
Because you're saying it in your head, right?
Yes. Just say it.
Or actually, it's only.
And then yeah, then we'll just sew it straight, and then we'll cut the middle out. Then we'll go, yeah, straight down there, tie into this too, and then. That's working?
Oh, I gotta get that in there somehow.
What about this way? Is this level?
Do you want to go and
Doesn't really
put
matter.
the top in first and tap in the bottom?
Yep. Well, top don't lie. So it's gonna go right there.
Well, I'm just looking at because it's hitting this and got a gap here. That's what.
Pound that baby. Oh, you're hitting the.
That's why I said take that out and go underneath and tap on the bottom.
My fault.
You're hitting.
I don't know. I didn't see.
Yep.
I don't know what you're saying.
That's what I-
So we're just in the middle of installing our under the deck gutter system. So basically it just keeps the under your deck dry. Yeah, we're just flying now because we got all the trim done and everything. So we're just flying on that now.
I thought it would work better. It didn't really.
The other one doesn't have a magnet on it.
Yeah, that's why I was pissed because I pulled it off and it was staying up there.
Nice ceiling.
Yeah, I mean, I'd use this in my basement potentially. It is high shine and
That is
such a
nice finish.
reveal.
The only problem is
Oh,
Money?
it's expensive.
cost.
How much a square foot?
This is
Like $2,000 for this piece.
this setup.
Huh?
This setup was $2,000.
Just for the stuff. Oh yeah.
We could have DIY'd our ceiling, you know, used our ceiling stuff, cocked that all together. I know it probably wouldn't have been as nice and stuff, but you know, our trailer ceiling,
Yeah,
it wouldn't have
it's
been.
handy.
But this is a good system, obviously.
Yeah. And you can take it apart if
Yeah.
you need to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
With mine, you would have had to take down a full piece. You could take down one piece at a time, couldn't you? To work back.
Don't mess around with trees.
So the trick here is to stand underneath it.
So get directly underneath it
Otherwise you
and
can't
use your
snap it.
legs. Make sure you use your legs. You're not camera shy, are you, Gordy?
No,
Okay.
come on. Any better or not.
It just kind of gets soft in the middle, I think, and then finally when you get back to the backer.
Good. Put screw up so you don't angle it.
Yeah.
I think that's what looks like happened.
Yeah. Can I get it out or no? It's good.
No, it'll be fine.
Good.
It's gonna be hidden behind a gutter. I think.
Yeah.
So we just cut it out even an eighth. You can tuck it in there. So take the screw, or even take that screw and you could, yeah, and cut it back a little bit and you can tuck it in here.
Well, that we just take, yeah, just cut a little bit of this off. So
You don't even need that much. He's just gotta tuck that back fin in
Yeah.
1/16 behind here. And you can bring the gutter all the way to here.
What about the front fin?
So all we have to do is just cut right here like this. That's all we'd have to take out of there. Right? That's all we'd have to do. Just cut a notch out of there.
Doesn't it look like this though?
And the
Yeah.
water,
Yeah, you're right. You're gonna have to cut out.
All this.
Yeah, that's why I say we'll cut a notch.
Yeah.
All the way up
Yeah.
to, all the way up to here.
How big of a gutter is it? 5 or 6?
6, I think.
And then we could pretty much use your extra stuff if you don't think that's returnable, and we could make our own little system like an inch down with drainage, and then just have it pour into that gutter.
Or just, yeah.
Or the same height or whatever you want to, 2 inches down or whatever you want to leave room for that barrel.
So you're gonna have to... Good morning, everyone. Come here. Come on, let's foam the door. Come on. Whoa, it's coming out. I did this one already, and now I ran a little short, so we're gonna do like 4 more feet of foam. Nothing too special. Look at what he did with it. So we did this door earlier, and Siegel cut this carpet out. You know, it was supposed to be flush. No, he misses it so much he tucked it back in.
All we had to do was just get a glue, do a little glue.
We're redoing this whole floor down here too.
Oh, yeah, that's what I thought when I looked at this. I thought, what are we trying to, I mean, get a bigger rug. I mean, get rid of this piece. Yes, you're redoing this whole floor. Hopefully, lay down?
Yeah, well, whatever we tell them.
Yeah, right, lay down?
They're going to want Menards though, because they love Menards more than anything.
No, Tim Siegel, he would actually
Here, bring it over here.
He would love to get it from Tim Siegel. Wouldn't he?
I don't know. I think they got beef.
What?
I think they got beef.
No.
Get in there and get this recording, man. Nice tight seal. You should always keep a napkin with you. I don't have one on me, but
I do love this little, whatever they did here. This nail flap fling.
I know.
Nail wing. Little seal wing. Oh yeah, build it up in there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's gonna expand, don't forget.
A little thin right there.
Yeah, really thin right there. Up by, yeah, under that shim. Oh, under the shim. Yeah.
It's a tough spot a lot of people don't get.
No, a lot of people don't see that. Only for your grandfather though. You bend down and look for that. I ain't doing this for a rude customer. I mean, a rude customer ain't getting down there. A nice customer, yeah.
They get sealed off.
Treat your contractors well. One day I probably will get it cleaned up and get it back in action. It's a good little fishing boat.
This lake is insane right now.
How glassy it is. Yeah, I love coming out here and kayaking. Like that's what this lake is probably best for, is just, I mean, look at that. It's just glass. Me and Stevens one morning, it was like this, and we kayaked from Joel and Greta's over here to the public beach. We turned around. Even me and Haley went all the way over here, back around. Yeah. Then it started getting windy, so we cut across the lake. You like it?
Windows?
Yeah, how they're almond or whatever. It kind of gives it a little accent. Then I can always tell people I did the almond ones up there. That one was really fucking hard. So it doesn't look that big, but dude, that thing was so heavy, and then to get it up.
Dude, it looks heavy as fuck.
Yeah.
like a sliding glass door.
Yes, it was. It's 100 inches. 100-inch door. What is that? It's like, oh yeah, right over 8 feet. Just over 8 feet.
Yeah, I think
I'm good now? I think I'm good to go now.
another pry bar too. Do we not have one?
I can go look, but
Gordy might have one.
He's got
Gordy. Loose all the way.
He's got Gordy's, but yeah,
Huh?
he's got Gordy's. I think Landon has all our pry bars, or I don't know. I mean,
You said we stole his.
yeah, yeah. I'm gonna start writing my fucking name on everything in yellow. Actually, I won't even write Primilla. I'll just say not Landon's. Leave that on, staring at my thingy. Blur it out at least, please. Man. It's the last thing I need. Floating around the internet.
See, look. Moisture in here, and I shouldn't be able to put my finger under here. It should be glued down.
No!
Right?
Right, Tracer?
That's why I caulk that down. I can feel water under there.
Tracer?
That ceiling in there.
Okay.
Or just staple some cardboard on it, he said.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then it'll catch whatever.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Or you hurricane it and clean it up later.
Yeah, I know. That's what I would do.
What'd you do? Huh?
It's a blister.
Is it videotaping? Did you get it?
Yeah, I got a blister.
What are the odds we win at pull tabs again tonight? What are the odds?
High.
They're high?
Yes.
Not playing the same box though.
Not the same box.
You can't go back to the same
What?
well. No, you're not gonna find gold in the same well. I was doing really good. I'm just letting you know. I know you don't trust me and stuff, but I was doing really, really good. Getting all the nails, and I do a good job whenever I'm doing. Coming to help you, Gordy.
Turn this off here.
Yeah, are we gonna use just wood and
Just wood and screws.
then just cardboard? He was saying, or
Cardboard we got.
okay.
Good old measurements, cut it with this. Nail it up.
Yeah,
It should be good enough to
hold any
keep stuff from
crumbs. Yeah.
get the crap. What do you think?
How they hide it like that?
Yeah.
What? Nothing's really going up there, huh?
Right, no,
Yeah.
it's insulation, so.
Yeah. Get something started here. Board end, I did. I think it's a little too tight.
Okay, a little bit.
Yeah. Get this line on.
Want to get my little miter box, or are you okay with?
I'm okay with this thing. Nine,
Do about 8, we're going to be about.
right up there.
Right.
To look at the saw. See if I was even doing this right. Make sure on the saw that I'm even doing this right. That 8 seems like a really low
Well, it's not much of a.
pitch. Yeah.
Why?
Because otherwise it doesn't work.
Oh, your head gets too hot?
No, no, but
Is it on?
Yep. No, it just flops around. It doesn't stay right. But you almost want to wear your hat the other way.
Oh,
Dude,
don't
the dome.
don't hit the dome.
Clean that up. Wax on, wax off.
Just scrub it.
John? Have to wait and see, really.
It's hard to tell on this side because they're so black, so much black stuff coming up here.
Yeah.
I was going by more of that over there.
Yeah. Yeah. See, I walked over the other side and that looks a lot brighter too.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. I have 5 more shingles. Oh no. Oh no, John. Good.
Huh? Yeah.
You tell me, man. You ever seen anything like it? Yeah.
Hello, 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 hello. It is Wednesday. And look where we're at.
Back.
We're back at Joel's roof. You might think, why? You already did that job. That should be done. Well, we got complaints. Warranty work. There's a little hump in the valley. I don't know if we left a hammer under there or what. So we'll peel that back and I don't know why it's so not sitting down there. But also we have a 1-inch overlap at the top, and instead of spreading it out like 1/4 inch at a time, we just did a 1-inch overlap, and he doesn't like the look of that because we didn't come out the same on each side. So we're gonna tear it back and remove roughly 3 square and redo 3 square, and then the rest of the ridge cap. But we have everything we need to finish. So we'll make him happy. Just want him to be happy. Sam's here. Sam's making his first appearance.
Look at this. Show me.
Why don't you plug into the garage? Oh, show you? Okay, yeah. Go ahead.
Do you like this?
Doesn't reach. Dang it. Doesn't reach. Just plug into that outlet right there.
I had all my weight on balancing on the cord like this.
Malarkey Vista AR. AR. Algae resistant.
But not for a lifetime.
There's a
Not for
15-year algae, and on this roof, I think we're gonna be able to claim that warranty because I don't know. I can
see it happening.
I can just see it happening for some reason. Algae coming in.
Put our calendar.
Yeah, 14 and a half years we'll be back.
We'll schedule the YouTube video, 2040.
Woo! So we fixed our 1-inch gap down there. We fixed the hump in the valley and everything's back to normal.
It's all cleaned up. Quarters of football they stole from me.
Which was nothing.
No.
Was a scam.
Still got my scholarships.
It was relatively a scam. The sporting world, or no?
No.
You need it.
It teaches you. Don't put your nose in the dirt. You can't just get it handed to you. You gotta be better. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You gotta be better than one. The bar is set for these kids. So be average. All you want to do is just have a good family and a nice house. Be average. Just be super average.
That's gonna be it. We're gonna do a little montage here, and then that's it. We're gonna leave Alec and head back to Fargo. Tomorrow I'll get prepared for the roof, do a little bit of work at the addition, and just get ready for the roof on Friday, 25 square. So it's gonna be a tough, long day Friday, all day long. See who shows up to help, and yeah, we'll get this montage. What is cracking? It is Thursday. Be a little chill day. We're gonna be just putting flashing on the windows and getting ready for tomorrow. 25 square roof, R&R, remove and replace. Yeah, we're just gonna seal this up today. Just put this flashing on each side, then the top, then put the Tyvek on and flash it again. Double flash.
$114.
Where's that go?
I thought you said over the bottom.
Bottom?
Yeah, when you mentioned that one. Or did you say 140?
142.
Oh.
But this one goes here though?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, we're just gonna get those all that Tyvek's sealed up just like so, and that's gonna be it. We're probably put some screws in the helicals, and then like, yeah, that's kind of it until we get our inspection. So we'll go back to the shop and just load up all the roofing supplies that we could possibly need, get it all ready, and that's gonna be it for Thursday. Tomorrow 5 a.m. we'll be ripping into that roof, or at least on our way out there. It's 30 miles away, so have a good night. Friday 5 a.m. it's like 45 degrees, first real cold of the year. Look, it's dark. It's dark out here. And Tete got here about an hour ago. Can't see anything, but we're ripping into them. It's a nice clean tear. The guy claims there's two what do you call it, double shingled, 2 layers. So we'll see here shortly. We have 6 guys, I think, total. 25 square R&R. We'll come back on, and we got delivery at 1 o'clock, so we're gonna get all weathered in, and they're gonna do rooftop delivery. So we gotta get to work, gotta get it going before 12 or 1 o'clock. They'll be here. Roof is completely torn. We just have some paper left, and what we found was the first 3 row, or there's the first row. They said 1 row of ice and water, and this roof requires 3, so we're gonna put 3 of them on there. 3 rows of that. We changed delivery truck till 10:30 a.m. and it is 8:51, so we got an hour and a half to get set up and prepped. Oh, these nail back and screwed down the whole roof again. It's all just loose. Just needs to get nailed down. It's not that deep.
I'll get you some screws if it's really bad.
I got screws right there. 2-inch screws, screw gun. Screw it down, man.
What?
Screw it down. Oh, sorry. Screw it first, probably. You're gonna screw. What? Dude, I'm literally just talking, man. I'm sorry, I sound so rude. I don't mean to be rude, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. Here, suck it down right here quick. It's for insurance. Insurance, man. He's gonna nail it back down because it's coming up everywhere.
Yep.
So let's grab another one. We're gonna need another one here.
You know where your camera is.
I got one right here ready, and there's another one that maybe someone can grab. It's in the drawer, one of the drawers. I got a bunch of staples right here, and I actually grabbed 3 of these because we need 2 for this side, or we need 3 for this side.
You want to?
You got staples in here?
That was pretty much all I had. Cool. Yeah, there you go. That's all I had left. It was already a grind, wasn't it?
Huh?
It was already a grind. 11:15, we got the friggin' shingles on the roof.
Let's do these rows all the way down. Maybe just bring that bundle with, or you can open up whatever.
Otherwise, we'll be here tonight. And you get home, and he said, "Yeah, we might go for supper." Lose your checkbook or what? You should be here any minute. So you wanted to come talk about this patio door.
Yeah, we'll be right here. I see it right here. No problem, man. Then what do you need to know? Great.
Yeah. You want to replace it? Yes.
There he is.
What was it?
I was just saying, yeah, I bet he's coming any second.
Yeah, I was letting text you. Yeah, I think you've done that a time or two.
What?
They wanted to do the cheapest thing.
Yeah, but you're putting a hole in your house.
Yeah.
What are you mean?
Better put some respect on its name.
Yes, like
Nail, nail, nail.
be more funny, and you have a better view of the final product. I'll do the montage. Some chapters. Be more funny.
I could have gone without saying. I was like Gordy. Oh, you were in a montage.
I'm about to do a montage. Get all this shit off the roof. How can I montage with that?
Pile of really nice tools.
All right, that's it for the week. Friday, what time is it? I don't even know, 4 o'clock. We killed it, 25 square, 1 day, 6 guys. That's gonna be it. Thank you very much. Here's a montage, and have a good weekend.